Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to create table to Excel and Excel to table. Okay, I will show you step by step. First, we have the data. Here we have different feature classes there. So in this feature class have attributes. That attributes we need to convert Excel, table to Excel. So I will show you step by step. Here arc catalog is there, arc toolbox. Click arc toolbox. When you are clicking, then it will show you here. So it is showing. Then first click the conversion tools. So first click conversion tools. Next click Excel. Next click Excel. Then see here Excel to table, table to Excel. So first we will create table to Excel. What we have feature class, then that feature class we need to convert table to Excel. So we will see first. Then now click here table to Excel. Click. Here it is showing. Now input table. Here we can go where is the path, then it will go. So no need to go path. When you are opening the arc catalog and database feature class, just select and drag it in the input. Once it will completed, output Excel files where you want to save the file. So select your location path. So here asking what you need, all fields, subtype names. So click yes, then select. Here I am showing, I will write test file name, save it. So here I will go on path, I will click here my path folder, save, then OK. It will take time, so it will processing. So I will check where it is. So we will go here, created. See, when you are completed, it will show you our table, it is completed. So when you are opening this, you will open. So see, this is the feature class name. Which feature class we are taken? This is the fire alarm conduit. See, that attributes table it in Excel sheet. See, all fields, all field is there. So now table to Excel is completed. Now we need to convert Excel to table. So I will show you that one also. So go to arc toolbox, then conversion. Click conversion, next click Excel, next now Excel to table, same, click input file, Excel file. Before what is asking feature class name, now file, Excel file, where we have go to your select folder location, this one text, open it, where you want. I selected GDB sample multiple arc file. I will write feature class name test 1. Save it. OK. See here running. Then this message will showing completed. So see here created table. Excel name is test. Table created, test name on. See, you want to see the table, attribute table is came or not, select preview. See, attribute table, same things. So this is the table to Excel and Excel to table. So if you have any doubts, please comment it. As soon as possible I will reply. Okay, thank you so much.